Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. Do you find that you need a little extra hydration in your day or just get sick of the taste of water? I feel like I need both. That's why I've been enjoying these hydration packets. These are from Nectar and I really like them. A few things that I enjoy the most are they're very light in flavor. I don't want my water to be overly sweet, and these provide just the small amount of flavor that I'm looking for. There's nothing artificial in them, so it does not have a fake taste. I also really like this variety pack because you get flavors of watermelon, berry, lemon. So whatever you're craving for the day is the kind of flavor that you can get out of this pack. These are low sodium, so I never feel like it's adding in too much hydration or making me feel bloated at all. And I also like these because it just flavors your water. There is no fizzing, so you don't have to feel like your water is going to make you feel bloated at all. These flavor packets are a must-have in your busy life when you're looking for that extra hydration or just need a little change up from your regular water. And that's my point of view.